Supercomputers and climate change, a future reality? It's an issue that has been debated for the last 20 years. How can the world keep up with population growth and a rapidly changing climate without using more energy? Supercomputers are a critical link in the scientific understanding of climate change, since they help researchers model projections to find how climate will change in response to changing human behavior. Climate change is happening. Climate change is happening. It is happening right now. The effects of climate change are being felt all over the world, and they are going to continue to get worse. The cause of climate change is largely human activity. We have been emitting greenhouse gases into the atmosphere for years, and these gases are trapping heat and causing the Earth to warm up. As the Earth gets warmer, we can expect more extreme weather events, like heat waves, droughts, floods, and hurricanes. Climate change is also causing sea levels to rise, as melting ice caps add water to the oceans. All of this has major implications for humanity. We need to take action to reduce our emissions of greenhouse gases, or we are going to see more and more damage from climate change in the years to come. Why climate change is a problem? Climate change is one of the most important problems facing our planet today. The Earth's climate is changing more rapidly now than at any time in human history, and we are already feeling the effects. Every year, the greenhouse gases we pump into the atmosphere trap more and more heat, causing the Earth to warm. This extra heat has led to more extreme weather events, like hurricanes Harvey and Irma, which cause massive damage and loss of life. Climate change also threatens our food and water supplies, as droughts become more common and crops fail. What's even more worrying is that we are on track to make these problems even worse. If we don't take action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, the Earth will warm by an additional 4 to 5 degrees Celsius by the end of this century. This would be catastrophic for both humans and the natural world. We need to act now to avoid this future reality. Supercomputers can help us by providing the high-powered computational resources needed to run complex climate models. These models allow us to understand how different emission scenarios will affect the climate, so that we can make informed decisions about how to reduce our impact. So let's put our supercomputers to work on solving this critical problem. Together, we can build a better future for ourselves and our planet. Technology and innovations to solve the climate change dilemma. Technology and innovation will play a pivotal role in solving the climate change dilemma. Supercomputers are already being used to model the Earth's climate and predict the impact of greenhouse gases. This information is helping scientists develop strategies to mitigate and adapt to climate change. In the future, supercomputers will become even more powerful and will be able to provide even more detailed information about the Earth's climate. With this information, we can develop more effective mitigation and adaptation strategies. Additionally, supercomputers can be used to develop new technologies that can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions or sequestration greenhouse gases. Some examples of innovative technologies that could help reduce greenhouse gas emissions include 1. Carbon capture and storage. Carbon capture and storage (CCS) technology captures carbon dioxide from power plants or other industrial facilities before it is released into the atmosphere. The captured carbon dioxide is then stored in underground reservoirs, where it will not contribute to climate change. CCS technology is still being developed, but it has the potential to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions from power plants and other sources. 2. Clean coal technology. Clean coal technology refers to a variety of technologies that are being developed to make coal combustion cleaner and more efficient. These technologies can reduce greenhouse gas emissions from coal-fired power plants by up to 90%. Some of the most promising clean coal technologies include carbon capture and storage, as well as advanced combustion and gasification technologies. Supercomputers will assist with increasing efficiency. Supercomputers will assist with increasing efficiency by reducing the time it takes to process large amounts of data. They will also help improve accuracy and allow for more complex models to be created. In the future, supercomputers may even be able to predict weather patterns and climate changes. This would give scientists and researchers a better understanding of the planet and how to protect it from further damage. Supercomputers have the potential to help humans in numerous ways. They can be used for research, to predict weather patterns, and to create more efficient systems. Supercomputers will continue to evolve and become more powerful as technology advances. Use of supercomputers. Supercomputers are used for research in many different fields, such as astronomy, weather prediction, climate change, biology, engineering, chemistry, physics. How supercomputers can predict the future effects of climate change. Supercomputers can predict the future effects of climate change by processing large amounts of data and climate models. They can identify patterns and trends that would be otherwise undetectable, and provide insights into how the climate may change in the future. Additionally, supercomputers can help assess the impact of human activity on the environment, and quantify the potential risks of climate change. By providing accurate information about the future effects of climate change, supercomputers can help people make informed decisions about how to adapt and respond to a changing environment. One way that supercomputers can predict the future effects of climate change is by processing large amounts of climate data. This data can be used to create climate models, which are used to simulate the behavior of the climate system. These models can be used to study how the climate may change in the future, and identify potential impacts of human activity on the environment. Additionally, supercomputers can help assess the risks of climate change by quantifying the potential impact of various scenarios. By providing accurate information about the future effects of climate change, supercomputers can help people make informed decisions about how to adapt and respond to a changing environment.